back to Tutorial Tidbits and welcome to my channel. I'm Elizabeth St. Hilaire, and this week I'm going to show you a unique technique for applying simple metal leaf or gold leaf through a stencil and creating a pattern. It's something that I'm working on for a Patreon video, but I figured I would give you a sneak peek. So the next step is to I've decided to put some gold leaf or metallic leaf on the background, and I'm going to try Tacky when dry gel medium. That should spread through the stencil nicely and create a sticky surface for the metallic leaf. So I have to be careful not to get it anywhere that I don't want the leaf, but I can of course wipe it off. So I'm just going to go around the peacock as best I can. So while we're waiting for that to dry, I just want to invite you to explore the possibility of joining my Patreon. Patreon is a month-to-month membership with in-depth tutorial videos publishing every week, plus 5 years of archived content that has been categorized by gel printing, by collage application, by beginner lessons, by sketch transfer. It's all divided into categories. There's a wealth of beginner lessons that you can get up and running with collage in no time. And there are video blogs, there are Q&As, studio visits, all kinds of inside information in addition to the tutorials every week. Why not come over to patreon.com/Elizabeth St. Hilaire and try it for 30 days. Check it out and see what you think. I think that it's a wonderful opportunity to learn from me online. So it's been a couple of hours because I went out and left this to dry, and the Tacky When Dry Gel Medium, you can see, is gone clear and it's dry. It's raised up through the pattern of the stencil, and it's only in the pattern of the stencil. So the low areas of this do not have any adhesive. We're going to be using simple metal leaf that comes on transfer papers. So the transfer papers make it a little bit easier than the loose leaf, which you lay on there and it would be loose, like more like this, not on a transfer paper. So you lift it up and you just have a loose piece of metal leaf like this, and it's very flyaway and it's very thin and it's a little hard to manage. So I'm just gonna put it on in the corner like that, and I'm gonna rub it with my fingertips. So we're just gonna put that here. So the nice thing about it is if you miss a spot, you can come back in. When you feel any tacky spots that you missed, you can come back in and you don't lose this metallic leaf because it's attached to the transfer paper. If you were using the loose leaf, whatever sloughed off would be kind of waste. Like for like these little places, you can really make the most of all of the leaf when it's on the transfer sheet like this. So this leaf will scratch. So you don't want to rub rings across it with your hands. You don't want to use the backs of your fingernails. You don't want to, you have to be very careful not to scratch it. It scratches really easily and then there's nothing you can do about it. So when we remove the excess, we're going to use a soft bristle brush. So now I'm just going to feel and see if I can find any spots that are still sticky. And you can see if you rub with your fingertips, you'll get it to come out of the lower layers. And then when I brush all the pieces off, I'm going to use that gilding brush. Okay, so that's giving you a good idea of what it's going to look like. Okay, so here's the round gilding brush. This is the one that I have, and it will allow me to do a better job of getting rid of some of these little flakes, and it will also brush off, you know, some of the stuff that's still attached. You can see that
So this is specifically for this, and I only use it so you can see if I scrub in here, I can get some more out than I didn't get out with my fingers. And also it's going to take off all those little bits. So we're just going to do it over the desk and just sort of let it fall, and then I'll sweep it up with a damp paper towel or a wet water wipe. That way it doesn't go flying all over the place. It's kind of like glitter that way. If you use loose glitter, which is illegal in Europe, by the way, in the EU. But if you do use loose glitter, you want to wipe it up with a wet paper towel. That way it doesn't get all over the place, and don't put it down the drain. So that's what we'll be doing with this. You can see it's there building up on the desk surface right here. So this brush is good at getting the pieces that may be kind of down in the low areas but are not glued. So I thought I got a lot off with my fingers, but there's a lot left here.
Well, I hope you found that interesting and inspiring, and I hope that this technique will find its way into your mixed media artwork. I look forward to seeing you back here next time.